Hi everyone, my name is Dario from Segway and now I'm going to show you how to ride a Segway. As you can see, the Segway doesn't have any accelerator and any brakes. It means that to move the Segway you need to lean your body. If you want to move forward, for example, just lean forward with all your body. If you want to slow down and stop, just go back with your back and keep your body far from the handlebars. Moving forward and stop and moving backwards is all about your body leaning. The only time when you need to push on the handlebars is when you need to turn. Push the handlebars in the direction where you want to go. To step off, just lift up your leg and bring your foot down. It's really easy, like if you are stepping off from a normal step. To step on the Segway, just put your foot in the center of the board and load the weight of your body on this leg.